Protecting the farm from all angles, we will bring you a multifunctional fence designed by Lydite specifically for animals. Height 90 cm, length 50 meters. Suitable for medium-sized animals, meeting the needs of larger areas of enclosure. The fence has a vertical spacing of 15 centimeters and 9 horizontal wires to ensure the stability and safety of the fence. The yellow line at the top is the main line, contains 6 strands of steel wire, 7 poly lines in the middle. Each line contains 30.20 millimeters steel wires. The bottom line is a black line. Column height 105 centimeters, pipe 90 centimeters, nail 15 centimeters, total 14 pieces, material optional PVC or PVC plus fiberglass, especially suitable for sheep or similar animals, such as goats, pigs, dogs, etc. It is also easy to install by one person. After pulling the net apart in order, step the post nails into the ground one by one. Finally, connect the stainless steel clips at both ends. A solid fence is formed.